Hello everyone. This is a session for 10th standard, first chapter, arithmetic progression, exercise 1.1. The heading is as follows. Which of the following are in APs? If they form an AP, find the common difference of D and write 3 more terms. Question number 6 is 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222, etc. Now write the pattern. Call them as A1, A2, A3 and A4. Find out the common difference by taking second term minus first term. That is, second term is 0.22 minus the first term is 0.2. If you subtract 0.22 minus 0.2, then write it as 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0.0. Now 0.02 is a common difference. Same way, take the difference of third term minus second term. Third term is 0.222 minus 0.22. If you subtract, you will get 0.002. Here 0.02 is not same as 0.002. Hence, A2 minus A1 is not same to A3 minus A2. Therefore, the given numbers are not in AP. Numbers are not in AP, then no need to find the remaining 3 terms. 0, minus 4, minus 8, 12. Now, write the pattern, whatever the pattern is given, and name it as A1, A2, A3 and A4. The next step is to find out the common difference. Take A2 minus A1 is 4 minus 0 is minus 4. Next, find out A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 8 minus A2 is minus 4. Minus 8 as it is. Minus into minus is plus 4. Since both the terms are having the different sign, subtract it, you will get minus 4. Same way, A4 minus A3, here A4 is minus 12 minus third term is minus 8. Minus 12 as it is, minus into minus is plus 8. 12 minus 8 is minus 4. If we observe, the common difference is same, that is D is equal to A2 minus A1 is same as A3 minus A2 is same as A4 minus A3, that is equal to 4. Hence, the given pattern or the given numbers are in AP. If the numbers are in AP, you have to find out the next 3 terms, that is A5, A6 and A7. A5 can be found by adding common difference to the A4. Here the fourth term was minus 12. Add minus 4 to 12. Minus 12 as it is, plus into minus minus 4. Minus 12 minus 4 is minus 16 is the fifth term of AP. Now add minus 16 and minus 4, that is fifth term is minus 16. Add D, that is common difference, minus 4 to it. Minus 16 as it is, plus into minus minus 4. Since both the terms are having common sign, then the result is minus 20. This minus 20 is the sixth term of AP. Next is seventh term. Write sixth term and D, that is minus 20 plus minus of 4, because common difference is 4. Then minus 20 as it is, plus into minus minus 4. Then since both the numbers are having the common sign, then it is minus 24. Question number 8, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, so on. Write the pattern, name it as A1, A2, A3 and A4. Then as usual, find the common difference, A2 minus A1, that is minus 1 by 2, minus of minus 1 by 2. Here minus 1 by 2, here minus into minus is plus 1 by 2, plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 will get cancelled, you will get 0. Then find two more common difference, that is A3 minus A2. Here again 1 by 2 minus of minus 1 by 2. Here third term is minus 1 by 2 minus second term is also minus 1 by 2. Here minus 1 by 2 as it is, minus into minus is plus. Again you got the same, plus 1 by 2 and minus 1 by 2 will get cancelled and you are left with 0. Next continue. Find out A4 minus A3. A4 is minus 1 by 2 minus A3 is minus 1 by 2. Here write minus 1 by 2 as it is. Minus into minus is plus 1 by 2. Again both will get cancel each other and you will get 0 again. Hence the difference is same throughout. When you find out the difference is same, hence you can write the given numbers are in AP. The next thing is to find out three more terms of AP. That is fifth term, sixth term and the seventh term. Fourth term was minus 1 by 2. Add common difference 0 to it. You will get again minus 1 by 2. Add common difference to the fifth term, that is minus 1 by 2 plus 0. Again you will get minus 1 by 2. If you want to find out the seventh term, add common difference to the sixth term, that is minus 1 by 2 plus 0 is again minus 1 by 2. Here all pattern is minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2, so on. Here A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, all the numbers is minus 1 by 2 because of common difference 0. The question number 9, 1, 3, 9, 27. Write the pattern and name it as A1, A2, A3 and A4. Find the difference of second term minus first term, that is 3 minus 1 is 2. Same way, find out the third term minus second term, that is 9 minus 3 is 6. If you observe the common difference, they are not same. That is A2 minus A1 is not same as A3 minus A2. Hence, the given pattern or the given numbers are not in AP. Therefore, you need not to find remaining three terms of AP. That is question number 10. The question is A, 2A, 3A, 4A. Write the pattern and name it as A1, A2, A3, A4. Find the common difference of A2 minus A1, that is 2A minus A is A. If you find out the third term minus second term, that is 3A minus 2A is again A. If you find the fourth term minus third term is again A. Here if you observe the common difference, each time you got A as a common difference. Hence the given numbers are in AP. Therefore, the next segment is to find out the remaining three terms of AP. Here, first four terms are given. The last term was 4A. Last term given was 4A. Next remaining terms you have to find out. A5 is equal to A4 plus D, that is 4A plus common difference A will gives you 5A. Similarly, A6 is A5 plus D, A5 is 5A, common difference is A, add to it, you'll get 6A. The next is A7, that is 6th term plus common difference, that is 6th term is 6a plus a will give you 7a. 11th question, that is a square, a cube, a4. Write the pattern and write it as a1, a2, a3 and a4. Find the common difference of second term minus first term. Second term is a square, first term is a. Now what you have to do? Take a as a common. If you take a as a common, a square is left with a and a is already you have taken out. Then it will be a into a minus 1. Similarly, find the difference of a3 minus a4. a3 is a cube minus a square. Here you can take a square as a common. If you take a square as a common, here a is left and minus, here a square is taken out, hence you are left with 1. Same way, if you find a4 minus a3, that is 4th term minus 3rd term, a to the power of 4 minus a to the power of 3. Here you can take a cube as a common factor. Here if you take a cube as a common factor, then you are left with a minus 1. If you observe, the difference is not same, hence the given pattern is not in AP and therefore you need not to find the remaining 3 terms of AP. Next question, that is 12th question. Root 2, root 8, root 18, root 32. Write the pattern as A1, A2, A3 and A4. Find the common difference A2 minus A1, that is root 8 minus root 2. Here root 8 I can write it as 4 into 2 minus root 2. If you observe, here root 4 means 2, I'll take it out and you are left with root 2 minus root 2 again. If you observe 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2, you'll get the answer root 2. Similarly, find the common difference of A3 minus A2. A3 is root 18 minus root 8. Root 18 can be written as 9 into 2. 9 2s are 18 and 8 can be written as 4 into 2. That is 4 2s are 8. Here root 9 is 3, have taken out. You are left with only root 2. Here root 4 means 2. You are left with root 2 again. Here in 3 root 2, if you subtract 2 root 2, again you will get root 2. Same way, find out A4 minus A3 again. Then 4th term was root 32 and the 3rd term was root 18. Root 32 can be written as 16 into 2 and 18 can be written as root 9 into 2. If you take root 16 is 4 and you are left with root 2. As usual, root 9 is 3, you are left with root 2. If you subtract 4 root 2 minus 3 root 2, you will get root 2. If you observe, the common difference is same, hence the given pattern is in AP. Now find the next 3 terms, that is already 4 terms are given. Find 5th term, 6th term and 7th term. Write the 4th term, that is root 32, add common difference root 2 to it. As I already told, root 32 can be written as 16 into 2 plus root 2 as it is. Now root 16 is 4 root 2 plus root 2. Now here if you add 4 root 2 and 1 root 2, you will get 5 root 2 as the 5th term of AP. Write the 5th term and add root 2 to it. It will become 6 root 2 and it will be the 6th term of AP. Similarly, add 6th term and root 2 to it to get 7th term. Then 6 root 2 plus root 2 is 7 root 2 is the 7th term, and so on. Question number 13. Root 3, root 6, root 9, root 12. Write the pattern and name it as A1, A2, A3, A4 and find the difference by taking second term minus first term, that is root 6 minus root 3. Root 6 can be written as 3 into 2 and root 3 as it is. Here take root 3 as a common. If you take root 3 here, you are left with root 2 and minus as it is. Already root 3 is taken out. You are left with 1 here. Now root 3 into root 2 minus 1 is the common difference. Same way, find out the common difference of third term minus second term, that is root 9 minus root 6. Root 9 can be written as 3 minus root 3 into 2. Similarly, find the difference of fourth term minus third term. Fourth term was root 12 minus root 9. Here 12 can be written as 4 into 3 and 3 can be written as 3 into 3. Root 4 is 2 and you are left with root 3 minus root 9 is 3. If you observe, all the common difference is not similar, hence you can write A2 minus A1 is not same as A3 minus A2. Therefore, the given numbers are not in AP. Next, question number 14. 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square. Write the pattern and name it as A1, A2, A3 and A4. Find the difference by taking second term minus first term, that is 3 square minus 1 square. 3 square means 3 into 3, that is 9. 1 square means 1 into 1, that is 1. 9 minus 1 is 8. Same way, find the difference of third term minus second term. Third term is 5 square, that is 5 into 5, 25, minus 3 square is 9. If you subtract 25 minus 9 is 16. When you observe, the first difference and the second difference is not same, that is A2 minus A1 is not same as A3 minus A2. Hence, the given numbers are not in AP. The last question of this exercise, that is 15th question. 1 square, 5 square, 7 square, 73. Write the numbers and name it as A1, A2, A3 and A4. Here, if you take the difference of second term minus first term, second term is 5 square minus 1 square. 5 square means 25 minus 1 is 24. Similarly, if you take difference of third term minus second term, third term is 7 square. If you subtract 7 square minus 5 square, that is second term, 7 square means 49, 5 square means 25. 49 minus 25 is again 24. Same way, if you find the fourth term minus third term, that is fourth term is 73 minus 7 square. 73 minus 7 square means 49. If you subtract 73 minus 49 is again 24. By observing the difference, you can arrive that the given numbers are in AP because the common difference is same. Next segment is to find out 3 more terms, fourth term, and add common difference to it. The fourth term was 73. Common difference was 24. If you add 73 and 24, you will get 97 as a fifth term. Similarly, sixth term is A5 plus D. Here A5 is 97 and D is 24. If you add, you will get 121 as the sixth term. A7 is A6 plus D. A6 is 121. If you add common difference 24 to it, you will get 145. Here 97, 121 and 145 are the 3 terms that is 5th term, 6th term and 7th term of AP. If you find my videos are useful, please don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends. Thanks for watching.